Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into how you can streamline your quantity takeoff using the ADLM Revit plugin. In this video, we're looking at a complete guide on how to use the new and improved ADLM Revit plugin for quantity takeoff for structural works such as your columns, your beams, and your slab. We'll also be looking at how to make use of this ADLM plugin for reinforcement calculation and envelope calculation. Well, on this channel, we've also made previous videos on how to make use of this plugin for architectural works. Check out the link up at the card above. Let's get into this video. So this is a structural design that has been done by a structural engineer. Credits to this or the structural design is from Kenny Struct. Kenny Struct provided us with this 3D structural detail here. And as this structural detail has complete is a complete structural design for a particular building work. So let's do our quantity takeoff. Now we're making use of this frame aspect of the plugin to carry out our quantity takeoff here. So select beam. We select beam here. Now we select the beam on the plugin. We have various options here. Firstly, we have to select the floor level that we're measuring for. Now we are doing for the complete entire beam in the project. I use this all floor option to show you the entire beam that is available in the project. You can select and do a quantity takeoff. Or you can use each floor level and you can also do the same thing. So first, let me quickly use the floor level. I'll select one floor option, and I'll select this to select the beam. So from this selection, it will also show you this, highlight the selection for you on the models. So you see this, I'll go back to Revit here, and you can see, so this is the model, this is the 3D of the selection. So with this here, you can see your reinforcement details also. So the reinforcement schedule has also been prepared for you as a bar schedule. Then you have the results here. So you have your concrete, your formwork, and this. You can click on save result to save this result here. And for the material breakdown also, you have your cement, slabs, and granite for that will complete this selection. So you click on save result and it saves that for you also. Then we'll come back to the next flow. That's if I'm preparing floor by floor. So pick the next set also, that's the second beam type. So from second beam type here also, it picks it up for you. You've seen the selection changes, you see your reinforcement details, the results can be saved, and the material breakdown also can be saved. Then either you pick for each of the beam type you have in your model. That's if you want to pick and select for various floor levels. That's using the floor by floor option. So we are doing now is picking the ground floor beam for substructure. This is our foundation building. So we just save this also. The material breakdown also can also be saved. Then the last one is this. So you can just check the model to see where the highlight is from. Okay. Reinforcement details for that. Then you can save this. And you can save the material also. So that's just for the ground floor beam. If you have the next floor also, probably first floor, and select first floor, you can do the same for the beams and all of that. And once you are done with this, close this. We'll do say for columns. For column, you'd see you can select the floor level also. So I'll select ground floor column, and I'll select the column type. So you see now that our column gets highlighted also. So you see the columns that are highlighted here in your model. Then you can check the reinforcement details also. So this result here can now be saved. Then material breakdown, you have seen the material breakdown. You can change the mix ratio for your concrete mix here and save. Now for your model, we'll just come back to this. Select the next type of column. So that's how you select all of the column types in your building. Okay. Then select this save to database. Material breakdown, you get to see that, then save. So with this, all your quantity takeoff and material schedule is being done together for the BIM, for the columns also. Reinforcement details, we save this. The material breakdown, save. So for the next column type also, we save this. This here, save. Then last one is this also, have reinforcement details. So you save this to database. Material breakdown is also saved. Okay, so that's how you go about that for column. Now, come back to this, the plugin tab. Select slab quantities. So select the slab quantities here for slab now. So for our ground floor slab, see what we've been measuring so far is based on ground floor. So select that. So highlight the particular slab on your, that's the slab that's highlighted. You see your reinforcement details, and you can save this. Then for the material breakdown also, you have the material breakdown. So another beauty is you can save this, export to Excel also by, so we have two slabs on the ground floor. That's the second one here. Now for the second one here, that's the scuff slab. So now we see the option now. Here we don't have the automatic reinforcement details created. So you have the option to input, same as previous ones also. So structural engineer does not provide you reinforcement details. You can use your experience as a quantity surveyor to input this information. And I'm probably for horizontal I have double, and for vertical I have single. And the horizontal bar is probably 12. The spacing probably 0.15. And the vertical bar probably 10. Spacing is also 0.15. This kind of arrangement, probably with our U bars and all of that. Check out the results. So we have this here. Save. Then the material breakdown also saves. Once we are done with that, and close. So that's for this year. So once you're done with your quantity takeoff, you can now check out the takeoff database. That's what to see what you've been saving since. So click on show takeoff database. You see all of your various BIM types, your column types, and your slab types. All these has been saved here for you. So you can just click on export to Excel to create a folder for this project. So takeoff frames. So inside here, I can now save this here as frame ground floor. Okay, so click save. So this has been executed successfully. Then I check out the summary view to see what you've done so far. Total concrete, formwork, and enforcement. Same with columns, same with slabs. So you can see the quantities, they are all here for you to view. So for material breakdown also, you select this for material. You see, this is the complete material. So for BIM time, you have concrete, you have your cement, your sharp sand, your granite, formwork, plank, everything, they're all here for this. So you can see all of this. So you come to material summary. So you see the complete concrete, see the entire cement, sharp sand, and granite for this form for this year. For formwork also, then for your enforcement details, you can put this in your material schedule format if you have one. Okay. Then for slab also, you get your complete material breakdown for slab. For columns also, you get your complete material for columns. So everything you've done so far, there's a material breakdown for that. Okay. So just close this. So basically, that is how you make use of the ADLM Revit plugin for quantity takeoff for your frames and structural works. In the next video, we're looking at how to make use of this complete ADLM Revit plugin for complete preparation, or we make use of this plugin with the ADLM Revit Gen software. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel because we need your help to get to 2,000 subscribers on this channel. Thank you. Peace.